If you want your iPhone to ring with your favorite sound, here's how to create a custom ringtone using the GarageBand app. First, open the App Store and search for GarageBand. Install it, it's free and from Apple. Once installed, tap and hold on the app icon, then choose Create New Audio Recording. Once the app is open, tap on the track view icon, which looks like a brick or just lines. After that, tap on the loop icon at the top right corner. Then choose Files. After that, import an audio clip or music to select from your library. Just tap and hold on the audio and drag it to the track area. Then tap and drag the edges of the audio clip to trim it. Keep it under 30 seconds so it can be used as a ringtone. After that, tap on the down arrow at the top left. Then choose My Songs. After that, tap and hold on your project, then tap on Share. Then select Ringtone and give it a name and tap on Export. Once it's exported, tap on Use Sound As, then choose Standard Ringtone or Do It Later. And that's all. You've got your very own custom ringtone made right from your iPhone using GarageBand. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.